Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, October 25th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 3 opportunities. They were all winners. One was a bigger winner than the other ones. The ES ones were nice. The NASDAQ was a small one, but nonetheless, it did profit. And I'm going to run through everything really quick here. In the NASDAQ, we got short. We were long previously in the ES. We got short on the NASDAQ. On a death candle trade, you'll see this push down here. It made went about 17 ticks or so. So 15 ticks on there. Move your stop down against the trend. We talked about this, or some people tried to give it room and had a break even because they had a monster long before that on the ES, up to 15 ticks or a break even. On the ES, we got long on a beautiful power play, 3006, and that sucker went all the way up. I told everybody that it should go to at least 950.10, but it would take time. I said that before we got into the trade because we had some congestion here, which I saw beforehand that we were going to get, but we had enough to get into make some profits before that, a couple points. And again, we talked about this the whole time. You know, this sideways chop here, we knew it was going to happen beforehand, based on what we look at. And then when it got up here to 14, I just told everybody, look, you got 8 points in the trade. I said, there is going to be an issue getting above 15, 16. If they get above 15 or 16, they're probably going to go near or to the all-time highs. I think the cash market actually did hit the all-time highs. I'm not 100% sure on that. Somebody said it did. I didn't double check. But you know, I said 8 points is enough. Like in a call room, we're not going to get like, you know, we don't need to, you know, be greedy with things or anything like that. I didn't want this to come down here and end up coming down, because if it started getting lower than this circle here, then it was going to be a problem, and we don't want to be giving back. Lock into points on your runner and be done with it. So that was up to 8 points. As you see, with any reasonable trail, you could have gotten much more than that off of this entry right here. Never look back. Okay, now when it came all the way up here, towards the end of the morning, I said I'm willing to try a short, but it's got to be, it might not occur till late morning or even into lunch. So we're going to see if we can get that, because I know a lot of people obviously didn't get this whole move here. So we hit a power play short, power play short here at 250, and that sucker went down 2.5 points, a couple points, went flat. And it's kind of basically where we're at right now, but it did make a couple points on there. And then we closed the room after it made 2.5 points pretty quickly, and then we just closed it right after that. So the room's been closed for this. So a good way to end the afternoon, or end the week. Had a great week, great week. We're gonna come back on Monday and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. We'll see everybody back on Monday.